Will Steinley at Kelly Grimsley Honda here in Odessa. Just to let you know that you can now see videos on each of our vehicle listings on our website. So just go to kellygrimsleyhonda.com, click on any of the videos. If you need other information, give one of our sales staff a call at 432-334-6632 or just come see us at JBS Parkway.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features, a fair price. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, leather seats, cooled seats, sun moonroof. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is Will Steinley thanking you for stopping by Kelly Grimsley Honda at 5301 JBS Parkway, where we are still a family-owned and operated business, where you're not just a number, you're a great customer.